Hey guys, today we're making plant-based Jello. Let's do this. We need a bowl and 1/3 cup of water.
And we're gonna need 1 1/3 cup, 1 1/3 cup of boiling water.
Get the water ready to boil. You need 1 1/3 cup to boil. Skin dough to put on the fire for you because it's dangerous.
So we're gonna put this to boil.
Careful.
Okay, we need to dissolve 1 packet in 1/3 cup of cold water.
Now it's time to put in the boiling water. But ask an adult for help because you don't want to burn your hands. So we're gonna do it with a rag. Kind of heavy with one hand, but it's okay because it's gonna be hot and we don't want to burn our hands. There we go. Now let's get the fork and start mixing it. Ooh, it looks light when it's in. Wow, so nice.
Okay, so it says we're gonna let it cool at room temperature and then we need to refrigerate it for 60 minutes.
So you can be patient. You can do anything what you want in your house that is fun for you and that can make you patient. Okay? So let's do this. Okay guys, we let the Jello cool. Now let's put it in the refrigerator. Let's get it. Try to use as much strength as we can. Now put it in the refrigerator where it can fit. There we go. Right there would be the nicest area. Now we're going to leave it in there for 1 hour. Okay guys, your Jello ready. Let's get it out. Let's see if it's cold enough. Let's get it from up here. Move the water a little bit. That's real cold and real heavy. Whoa, that is frozen in like real Jello.
And what do we need to get as well?
The whipped cream. You know that's delicious. Now let's close the refrigerator because I'm holding this with your hands. I'm just doing it with my elbow. And now let's put it up here. And now let's see.
Serve ourselves.
Yep, serve ourselves. And put some Jello in these so you can eat it with whipped cream. Okay, guys, we took a piece. Now let's put some whipped cream on it. Ew, yummy. Okay, now let's get a spoon. Now let's try it out. There's a piece of Jello too. A piece of Jello. Ooh. Kind of yummy, but I haven't tasted. I'm gonna taste the Jello now. Yummy, that's good. Okay guys, don't forget to hit like and subscribe for more videos. Bye!